We'd like to thank Ma'am Alpha, yan, Mommy Alpha, Daddy J, yan, for having our team, King Sam Party Hub Enterprise tonight on this once-in-a-lifetime event, most especially to our dear Portia Isabel. What a wonderful name, Portia Isabel. Yan, enjoy your dinner, Again, our photo booth is up to 11, and our mobile bar is open. Ayan, drink moderately and responsibly, I always remind all of you, ayan, to please drink moderately and responsibly tonight. Uwi po tayo sa ating mga tahanan ng safe. Ayan po ang gusto ng family ni Portia. Alright, once again, good evening. This is still Miss Mal from King Sam Party Hub Enterprise. For any concerns, inquiries, ayan, just look for our boss, ayan, Ma'am Sheng Ong of King Sam Party Hub Enterprise.
Ang hilig na mga ganyan pag sa mga intro, no? Ba't kayo magulat mo minus one? Ang hilig ng ganyan.
Ay, meron ba? Hindi ko alam kasi, hindi ko narinig kanina.
Natataka lang ako.